Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to trade altcoins on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top of the screen, we have the traders, lenders, about, and we have more. We also have the sign out option, the return to platform, and in the middle of the screen, we can see that we have the start trading option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and trade altcoins on Bitfinex. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, you need to go of course and click on start trading, which is in the middle of the screen, and this screen will pop out. Then you need to deposit funds. So deposit cryptocurrencies or fiat money into the Bitfinex wallet. You can do this by navigating to the deposit section and selecting your preferred method. Then navigate to trading section. On the Bitfinex interface, go to the trading section. You can find this in the panel on the left side of the screen. Select your trading pair, choose the altcoin you want to trade and its corresponding trading pair. For example, ETH, USD, BTC, ETH. Or you can find pairs listed in the trading section. Then just place an order. So make an order, market order, limit the order, and stop the order, of course. Then just review and confirm. And of course, at the end, monitor your trade. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys!